Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars elon or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are cryptographic forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun as opposed to specialized items and administration. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor without any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no viable utility like other digital currency. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. The majority of the Dogelon Mars elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a cryptographic money with the subject Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious cryptographic forms of money. Yet the prominence of Dogelon Mars elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion token. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and instrument for Dogelon Mars elon, so for $1 you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The verifiable information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was loaded with linguistic and spelling mistakes, which had in the end become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was floated on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the Dogecoin to jab the serious other crypto tokens available for use. Dogelon Mars digital money. The digital money of Dogelon Mars is known as ELON, which is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain sent off in April 2021. It is named ELON, and the name came after Elon Musk. He is a fan and financial backer of Dogecoin. It has nice tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded in major decentralized trades with ample symbolic matches. ELON USDT market pair is accessible on Poloniex. Record can be opened through name or email address on such trades. Dogelon Mars digital currency is viral via online entertainment and has got media publicity. Individuals began putting resources into the token. In October, Dogelon Mars elon cost rose more than 40x times and gave a huge return. Then, at that point, it moved into 150th position as far as market cap. Specialized investigation of information shows Dogelon Mars followed the path of Shiba Inu for token circulation. A big part of the tokens were shipped off Vitalik Buterin. Afterward, Buterin gave his commitment to good cause and the coronavirus alleviation asset. By this, Dogelon Mars engineers guaranteed fair circulation of the coin all along. Since it is characterized as a fair widespread digital money, there was no presale of tokens. The chance of starting liquidity drawdown was eliminated from the monstrous potential gain push of October 2021. The market cap flooded from $26 million on October 1, 2021 to $1.19 million by October 30, 2021. At the point when it is recorded on OKEX, it has revitalized over 200% potential gain. What makes ELON interesting? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a K9 subject, utilizes an entertaining, interesting story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that notice the coin continuing on his undertakings to Mars, where he experiences more companion. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companion. Dogelon Mars mission. There is no fixed guide for the coin, be that as it may. The image coin is exceptionally popular, since the coin's significance is that once it battles for endurance against the annihilators and is recorded on major crypto trades, its worth will contact Mars. Dogelon Mars specialized investigation. The unconventionality of Dogelon Mars elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the cryptographic money market. Consequently, giving an exact Dogelon Mars cost gauge is very troublesome. Authentic information of ELON cost shows the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0 soon after posting. The ELON cost has moved to $0. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0. Dogelon Mars ELON cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars ELON cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Much the same as our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars ELON is around $0. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0, with an all-out market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552-955-726-479-823 ELON, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars Coin Forecast 2023. In view of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost forecast begins at $0. The most extreme Dogelon Mars cost gauge for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars ELON value expectation ought not be considered as a speculation counsel to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of ELON could reach $0. Value expectations predict ELON needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Elon value forecasts are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a greatest cost of $0, a future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Consequently, the ELON cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is significant for speculation north of a 5-year time span. Dogelon Mars conjecture 2026 and then some. Dogelon Mars has a lot of chance in view of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just digital currency enthusiasts can play with the image coin for the present moment. If not, you can contribute and pause, yet you can't rest assured about the profits. As indicated by Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma on the grounds that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven fundamentally by web-based entertainment publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows that image tokens gave gets back to their financial backers, and the Dogelon Mars expectation for what's to come is bullish. Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2030 predict Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. It will be a productive venture. The drawn-out cost forecast looks encouraging up to this point. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? In light of the value forecasts of Dogelon Mars, future costs are bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise speculation. The development of ELON exclusively relies upon the state of the overall market of that period. While taking a passage in Elon, take a gander at the Dogelon Mars graph, look at the pattern, do your own examination and section focuses in cost figure. On the off chance that you can't track down a section, take a touch of legitimate monetary counsel.